गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम HAS 2020 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन 1, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वॉज नॉट एन आर्य समाजिस्ट? बी. बाबा रामचंद्र. Which of the following organization was the last to be established? A. राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ. When was the Vernacular Press Act passed? A. 1878. Which one of the following regions did the Pavna revolt take place? C. Bengal. In which year was the first session of the Chamber of Princes held? 1921. C. Who presided over the commission appointed on famine policy in 1880? B. Richard Strachey. Which one of the following attended the Congress of Oppressed Nationalities at Brussels in 1927? D. Jawaharlal Nehru. What was Ulgulan? A. The Munda Revolt. Which one of the following organization was last to be established? B. Madras Mahajan Sabha. When did the British Prime Minister declare in the British Parliament that transfer of power to responsible Indian hands will be done by June 1948? B. February 20, 1947. Which of the following work was written by Sachindranath Sanyal to attract the youth to revolutionary nationalism? D. Bandi Jeevan. Which one of the following is not a soil type in India? D. Croix. Jalandhar Doab is closely related to which of the following? D. Area between Beas and Satluj. Which of the following is the highest peak in Eastern Ghat? B. Arma Konda. Khetri has a rich deposits of C. Copper. 49th parallel is associated with B. Canada and USA. Lena River of Russia empties in A. Laptev Sea. Barren Falls are associated with which structural division of Australia? A. The Eastern Highlands. Winnipeg in Canada is famous for B. Softwood collection. Which among the following variables are not used in constructing Human Development Index of India? C. Morbidity. Disguised unemployment means A. Marginal productivity of labor is 0. Human Development Index does not use which parameter while measuring gender inequality? A. Sex ratio. Sankalp is launched to provide D. Market relevant training to youths. Golden rule of fiscal policy in India is B. Borrowing only for public investment. Which of the following is an example of management performance indicator? A. Raw material used per unit of products. Which of these is the dimension of corporate social responsibility? B. Philanthropic. NGOs are recognized as dash to focus and fix the problems present in the development process. C. Magic bullet. Which of the following is the primary goal for sustainable development? D. Moderating emission and waste. Eco mark label of India is B. Earthen pot. Mass extinction of species do not occur due to which of the following factor? D. Predation. A 40-watt electric bulb is used 6 hours every day. The number of electric units it consumes in 30 days are D. 7.2. In nuclear fusion of U-235 with a slow neutron bombardment produces energy approximately C 200 MeV. The dental alloy used for teeth filling contains A. Mercury, silver, tin, copper and zinc. Which one of the following substances is not responsible for water hardness? C. Calcium nitrate. The different plant parts in which leucoplast present are A. Roots and underground stem. Pteridophyta do not have D. Flowers. In which group of animals column is filled with blood? B. Arthropoda. Lack of oxygen in muscle often leads to cramps among athletes. The reason for this is B. Conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid. Physiographically, Palampur, Dharamshala and Jogindernagar in Himachal Pradesh are situated in which of the following zone? D. Web subtemperate. Which of the following was not a princely state or Thakurai which was clumped to form the Mahasu district in 1948? D. Ania. Zahor in Tibetan name of which of the following district of Himachal Pradesh? B. Mandi. Which stone-clad peak of Himachal Pradesh is shaped somewhat like Matterhorn in Switzerland? A. Gefong. Which of the following combination is not correct? D. Swangla Jhanjrara. Match least 1 and least 2 and select the correct answer from the code given. D. B. 1E, 2C, 3B, 4A. Lodi has been declared as state level festival and first Lodi festival was celebrated on 13th January 2010 at which of the following place? B. Paragpur. Which of the following temple is believed to be constructed by two merchants, Ahuka and Manyuk? A. Baijnath temple. The largest collection of Kangyur and Tangyur is placed in the library of which of the following Gompa? B. Kardang Gompa. Which of the following statement is not correct? The Arki school of painting was founded by Raja Jagat Singh. In which of the following valley Himachal Pradesh Language, Art and Culture Academy founded 600 years old manuscript that deal with Ayurvedic system of medicine? D. Spiti Valley. Which of the following combination is not correct? A. Fatehpur Fort. The only coin special to Chamba, 5 of which make an Anna, is the C. Chakli. Who amongst the following was the first to examine the archaeological remains in Chamba and Bharmor? C. General Cunningham. What is the script of earliest rock inscription found in Pratihars and Kanihara? B. Kharoshti. What is the name of the opera festival which is annually held by the Tibetan Institute of Performing Art at McLeodganj and was an annual feature in Lhasa prior to 1959? B. Shotan. Which of the following valley is without exception the most rugged glen of Kinnaur district? A. Tidong Valley. Jehang and Kanishang are the names given to which of the following? C. The upper house and the lower house of village Khamp of Malana. Which of the following country was relegated to second position by Lahaul Spiti by achieving the highest per hectare production of potato? C. Netherlands. The first mention of which of the following plays came in 1817 from the diary of the Scottish officer brother? B. Shimla. Climate change vulnerability assessment is being undertaken for which of the following river basin covering 9,258 villages of 4 districts with more than 1,200 panchayats? B. Satluj. What is the name of the web-based software implemented by the Department of Transport of Himachal Pradesh for issuing driving license? B. Sarthi. Name the superintendent of Botanical Garden who set up Delhi Tea Estate in 1852. B. Dr. Jameson. After an intensive research and success of the project, which district of HP is likely to emerge at Pista Bowl of State? D. Kinnaur. Where is the first emu breeding farm of HP set up by multi-level marketing company Easy Way with? A. Gandwal in Una. Who amongst the following were the two wildlife experts who were main force behind setting up Himachal's first bird ringing station at Salropa? C. Francis Bunar and T.H. Walker. Which of the following has been included in the seventh wonder of Shanghai Cooperation Organization? C. Statue of Unity. To which country India gifted a made in India petrol vessel named Kamyab? B. Maldives. Which Indian Air Force aircraft was decommissioned on December 27, 2019? A. MiG-27. Which tribal refugee community will now be given permission to settle in Tripura following the signing of a historical agreement on January 16, 2020? B. Bru Rinag. What is the rank of Indian passport in Henley Passport Index 2020? D. 84. Where is the headquarters of Global Tiger Forum? B. New Delhi. What is BioQuit, which was in news recently? B. Digital monitoring of the borders. What is the status of house sparrow in India as per State of India's Bird 2020 report? A. Stable. India signed an agreement with which country to establish Ado tourism. A. Maldives. What was India's rank among 156 countries in the Global Happiness Index 2019? B. 124th. Which state government has launched One Family, One Job scheme? B. Sikkim. Which cities are called non-attainment cities in India? D. Consistently showing poorer air quality than the national ambient air quality standards. Which country topped the list of Global Diplomacy Index 2019 released by Sydney-based Lowy Institute? D. China. Which country has criminalized offences related to match fixing? D. Sri Lanka. Bada Darshan is the festival celebrated in which country? D. Sri Lanka. What is the campaign theme of the International Women's Day 2020? D. Each for Equal. The term Operation Car Wash that was making news recently is related to which country? A. Brazil. Which country will host the UN Climate Summit COP 2026? B. UK. In a latest report, 2019, World Bank appreciated India's efforts and policy in A. Reduce poverty by half since 1991. The Nobel Prize 2019 for Economics has been awarded to Abhijit Banerjee, Esther Duflo, and Michael Kramer for A. To discover the most effective ways to tackle poverty in the developing world. Why is there a great concern about the microbeads that are released into environment? A. They are considered harmful to marine ecosystem. Among the following, which one is the largest exporter of rice in the world in the last 5 years? B. India. Which country's capital name is renamed as Nur Sultan? A. Kazakhstan. Which of the following are called Bretton Woods twins? A. International Monetary Fund, IMF, and International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Which state got a separate high court on 1st January 2019, which is the 25th High Court of India? D. Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following states does not have a bicameral legislature? D. West Bengal. Which state first adopted the Panchayat Raj in India in 1959? A. Rajasthan. Which of the following is true regarding Panchayat Raj system? C. Both 1 and 2. 1. The Act won't apply to Darjeeling district of West Bengal. 2nd. Allotment of seat in constituency for Panchayat elections cannot be questioned in any court of law. Which of the following are the recommendations of L.M. Singhvi? D. All of these. 1. Nyay Panchayat should be created for a cluster of villages. 2nd. Constitutional recognition for Panchayati Raj institution. More financial resources for village panchayats. Pahal scheme is related with B. Direct transfer of LPG subsidy. Under which schedule of the Constitution of India can be transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? B. 5th schedule. Rajya Sabha can delay the finance bill sent for its concentration by the Lok Sabha for a maximum period of A. 14 days. The Constitution 86 Amendment Act 2002 deals with a right to education, a fundamental right for children in the range of 6 to 14 years. The National Human Rights Commission is a statutory body which Union Ministry has launched a new web portal, Centers for effective delivery of public service. C. Ministry of Labor and Employment. Which state topped the Good Governance Index launched by central government on 25th December 2019? A. Tamil Nadu. Thank you.